In this video, I'll guide you through how to create Gmail filters. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up filters that automatically sort, organize, and clean up your inbox so you don't have to manage every message by hand. First, start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing into your account if you aren't already. You'll land in your inbox, and that's where we'll do everything for this tutorial. Take a moment to look at the top of the screen where you see the search bar that runs across the page. That search bar is the key to creating filters in Gmail. On the right-hand side of the search bar, you'll see a small icon that looks like a set of sliders or a triangle pointing down. This is the search options or drop-down icon. Click that icon. When you do, a panel opens below the search bar with several fields and options. This is where you tell Gmail exactly what kind of emails you want your filter to look for. Now, you'll enter your filter criteria. Think of criteria as the rules that define which messages the filter will catch. For example, you might want to filter all emails from a particular sender, messages that contain certain words, or emails that have attachments. You can use a single field or combine several to get more specific. If you want to filter by sender, type an email address into the from field. To filter emails sent to a particular address you own, use the to field. If you're targeting subject lines, enter a word or phrase into the subject field. You can also use the has the words and doesn't have fields to include or exclude emails containing specific text in the subject or body. If you only want emails with attachments, check the box that says the email has an attachment. You can also set a size limit if you're trying to catch larger messages. Take your time to think about what problem you're trying to solve. Maybe you're getting a lot of newsletters and want them out of your main inbox, or you need all messages from your team to go into a dedicated folder. Set the criteria so it matches that goal as closely as possible. The more precise you are, the better your filter will work. Once your criteria look right, move to the bottom right of that panel and click the option that says Create Filter. Instead of immediately running a search, Gmail will now ask you what you want to do with any email that matches the conditions you just set. You'll see a list of possible actions. This is where you choose how Gmail should handle those messages automatically. You can have Gmail skip the inbox and archive them, mark them as read, star them for visibility, or apply a specific label so they're grouped together. You can also choose to forward those emails to another address, delete them, or mark them as important. It's perfectly fine to select more than one action. For example, you might apply a label, mark as read, and archive all at the same time. Before you confirm, read through your choices and make sure they match what you want. There's often an option to apply the filter to existing matching conversations, which is useful if you want to clean up your current inbox, not just future messages. When you're satisfied, click the button to create or confirm the filter. Gmail will save it, and from now on, any email that meets your criteria will be handled automatically based on the actions you chose. You can always edit or delete filters later from your Gmail settings if your needs change.